If you find yourself spending a lot of time going through your website, checking for broken links, I have a tool for you today that is going to seamlessly help you accomplish that task. It's also going to be really helpful when it comes to creating email campaigns. And if you're sending anything to clients or customers, this is going to be a helpful tool for you too. So on this page, this is my newsletter that I sent out earlier this week, The Power of the Chocolate Chip Cookie to Overcome Competition. It's in my Marketing Gains newsletter, and my process was to send the preview email to myself and then check everything on it. Now, this particular email doesn't have a lot of links, but I am going to show you the tool on here anyways, and you can just apply it for any email. So send the preview to yourself. You're going to scan it just as if you were reading it, and you're going to download on Google Chrome extensions. You're going to download this little Chrome extension called Check My Links. And you can go to the Google Play Store, type in Check My Links, download it. It's been around for quite some time, and I found it very, very useful in this process. So once I've sent the email and I'm previewing it, I hit this little button and it will scan. Now because I'm in my Gmail account, there are a lot of links to scan within the Gmail platform, but it's going to show me the highlighted sections within my own email of where these categories fall. So at top, we have valid links, which you can see 26. And of course, over here, we have all these links going to different places. So those ones don't apply. But where it does apply is if I scan down through my email. So again, this was the text body of the email that I sent. There isn't any links in there. And these are prompts that I sent in the newsletter. And now at the bottom, you'll see redirecting link. So it matches these color codes. So valid links and redirecting links. I have 0 warnings and I have 0 invalid links. This is great. Fantastic. We're going to head over to a website. Now, this is my client website in Lake Louise. Okay, so we're on the mountaineerlodge.com, and I'm going to go to my Chrome extension, Check My Links. And we're going to wait while it scans, but so far so good. We're seeing 43 valid links, which are then highlighted in this green color. So, and then there's a slightly different shade of green, which is valid redirecting links. And there's 6 of those on this page. If there were any warnings, there would be a number there, of course, and then this color would be yellow. If there was invalid links, this color would be red, or wherever that link may exist. And so the reason why you want to check for broken links is because any broken links on your site reduce your search engine optimization scores. They also, of course, take the guest off to a 404 page. And that's never fun for anybody. It also happens in emails when we're linking out there. And so this tool is a really quick way to scan your site and make sure that you have no broken links. It does not, it's not a mind reader. So it doesn't know exactly where those links, if those links that you've got in your website or in your email, it doesn't know and can't anticipate where those links should go, but it just makes sure that it is going somewhere valid. And so it's a great tool for quickly scanning for broken links or any warnings. All right, hope you find this helpful, and let me know how you do with Check My Links. You can DM me on LinkedIn and let me know how you find this tool. Maybe share it with others that also use it. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.